Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to try explain this to you about the features on iPhone called Focus. So basically Focus is features that created by the iPhone, iOS or Apple product to help you manage the notification on your iPhone. So you can filter the notification coming, you can even like decline every notifications coming into your phone if you want. So the Focus, you just need to open the settings and you will see in the second boxes there will be like everything about the notifications, sound, screen time and focus. So here is the Focus features, and go click them. So here you will have an access into the type or the mode of the focus that you want to apply into your whole phone. So you can see there will be also a DND or do not disturb, mean that there will be no one can disturb you on your phone even you have internet on it. So no one can call you, no one can send you a message, no application that can send you notifications whenever you turn on this do not disturb. If you want to have your own customizations Focus, you can just go click this plus button, and you can also just go click custom, or there will be also some recommendations that already give by the iPhone. If you want to custom, just go click custom. And here if you want to like have a meet time, let's say, so you want to a time that you want to focus on yourself and a special someone only for to like have communication with your phone, you just need to find them, go adjusting the colors too if you want, and right after that you just need to go click next, or you can also adjusting the symbols or the icon, and now go click next. And you just need to customize the Focus. You can adjusting people that you want to allow to send you message, give you a call, or any applications notifications. So you just need to go click people, and you just need to pick someone that you want to allow to call you. You can also choose the apps that can give you a notification whenever you are on me time, and you can also customize the place on your home screens too, and so on and so on. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, or you just need to easily go back. So that is the way how to create Focus, how to activate Focus, and what is Focus on iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is really useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.